For a Somali pirate, this is the end of the road. A high-security prison in the neighbouring breakaway state of Somaliland. Over 40 convicted pirates are currently being held here, though none of them would admit to hijacking ships. Like most pirates, Muhammad Ali Orsaman claims he is simply a fisherman, wrongly accused. Now he is serving a 15-year sentence. Plenty of time to ponder the practical motivations of a modern-day pirate.
Because of the collapse of the Somali government, there is no patrolling of our territories. And that is why there is illegal fishing, and those Westerners are entering our territories. And those pirates are only hijacking ships in Somali waters.
Fellow inmate Omar Abdi Ilmi has a 20-year stretch ahead of him. The fact that he is even here, say officials, is a sign that local efforts to curb the practice of piracy are working. The international community struggles to arrest pirates and bring them to justice on a regular basis. This tiny self-declared state is trying to do that. Its small coast guard is arresting dozens of pirates every year. They have set up pirate prisons, and those pirates are tried in special piracy courts, and then they are given lengthy jail sentences. The authorities here are adamant that that is what keeps Somaliland's waters slightly safer than the rest of Somalia. Somaliland's port town of Berbera lies down the coast from Puntland, home to professional pirates. Arrested on the sea, suspected pirates are first brought here to Berbera's prison and held for trial in a local court, where stiff sentences are seen as the best deterrent.
Now, when they hear that they can get 20 years and 15 years, everybody is stunned and not going to the sea.
Authorities tell me that this group of suspected pirates were recently caught on a boat that had been marked by a coalition anti-piracy ship. Their suspected leader, Omar Abdullah Abdi, is a well-known pirate, says the prison commander. Omar himself disagrees.
We were arrested by the Coast Guard and brought directly to the prison. We have not been charged in court yet. We have nothing to do with these charges.
Coalition warships can only do so much to repel pirate attacks, say officials here. Any real progress will come from coalition countries, who must use their own legal means to seek justice.
They throw them away because they don't want to take them to Europe to put them in court. They have to take them to their country and put them in courts, like the US has done one time, like Denmark and Holland.
With millions of dollars to be made by pirates in hijacking ships for ransoms, the risks may seem small in comparison. The hope here, however, is that these waters gain a reputation for a fierce rule of law, keeping pirates at bay. Jane Ferguson for CNN, Somaliland.